Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Get This App from Play Store error on Android. Alright, let's begin. This error usually happens when you try to open an app from a link, ad, or third-party source, and Android cannot launch it properly. Common causes include caching issues, an outdated Play Store, disabled system apps, or incorrect settings. First, check if the app is already installed. If not, download it directly and try opening it from your app list. You can also update or reinstall the app. Go to your profile in the Play Store, then Manage Apps and Games, and install any available updates. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh its files. Another solution is clearing the cache for Play Store and Play Services. Go to Settings, Apps, search for Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache. Clearing all data requires logging back into your account, so make sure you know your credentials. This removes unnecessary files without affecting your apps. So that's basically how you can fix Get This App from Play Store error on Android. That's it for this video. Thanks!